What is going on, my beautiful people? Que bola, mi gente guapa. So today I took uh one too many trades. The last one should be aborted, and they got me. Entering here and it was break even, but we talk about it. Let's start from the beginning. Yesterday on Asia, very easy. We swept the liquidity. I entered in the first value gap that I saw. Two contracts, aim for the sell side liquidity. Simple as that. That gave me $100, $200 on the copy trading today. I didn't get to see this way. Now I see it. We have the manipulation here, and then the distribution, accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. But because we had news at 10, this is the first fair value gap that was created in session. It would have been nice to take this short and aim for the sell side liquidity or yesterday's low. But because of the news, I thought that maybe we're gonna grab this liquidity and this would have been the fake out, but the news brought us down. So when I saw that we grabbed UK low, I did a little bit of a mistake and entered prematurely when I saw the reversal and kind of a market structure shaping here. I saw the fair value gap. I entered when I saw this candle closing below the fair value gap. My stop loss originally was here with 100. No, here protecting the low. It was 150. But when I saw this candle closing like this, I got out and I saved a lot of money. I only lost $15. Which is great. The pyramiding technique that I'm using is entering with 1 micro, and then if the market keep going my way, I keep adding contracts on the way up or down. So that was the first entry, and then I was like, okay, just sit in your hands and wait because we are too close to the previous low that was created yesterday. Exactly, this is what we did. This is just the market stopping out, stopping everybody out that was in a long twice. And then I saw we touched the yesterday low. We created an SMT on the low. I waited for the market structure shift right here. Waited for the market structure shift. We have a fair value gap created. I enter in there, and I was aiming for the 50% of the fair value gap. Maybe, just maybe the day was, like giving the opportunity to the bears to keep going lower. But when we feel this 4-hour imbalance that I have marking here, I was like, you know what? I mean, no, because we didn't feel it. I was like, there's a possibility that we're gonna keep going down. So I got out on almost 50% of the right here, almost 50% of the fair value gap. It was I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this because it was really the opportunity for me to practice patience and hold the trade longer. I couldn't just be moving my stop loss. I move it from here to break even right here because we have another fair value gap. And then I should have keep doing that instead of just getting out, but whatever, it's fine. I take it. Um, and then I was tape reading. And the market was doing its thing. That was a very clean and nice market make a buy model. Then when I was tape reading, I saw an opportunity of entering here, and I didn't. I was just like very comfortable with my 150 times two, $300 a day. And then we grabbed the buy side liquidity and the previous high of day. Then when I saw this, I was like, you know what? We're creating an SMT with ES like here, right? Um, S&T was failing to grab the previous high of day. So I was like, maybe this is a launch reversal. And I enter on the fair value gap. and I spend my time drawdown on profit, drawdown on profit. I enter in here and I spent like 20 minutes in this trade and I didn't like it. So I waited for the price to give me almost a break even and I closed with a $5 loss. And like um you can see the price action. This is like ridiculous. So, you know, I felt a little bit of FOMO here because we were breaking the structure. I was like, oh shit, maybe this is giving me the move that I was waiting. Why? I was 150 on profit and I wanted to complete my goal of making $200 in each account, $400 a day. And I was aiming to make $50, which it was around here, around this area. But it's fine. We get to live and trade another day. That was today's price action lecture. My entry expecting reversal after seeing that no volume came to the market. I decided to get out early, which is fine. And then, I did my journal. End up the day on positive or 751. Control technical, a little bit of doubt. I felt a little bit of doubt in there. Um, That was the first trade. I saw an SMT, fair value gap created, enter on the fair value gap, boom, aiming for the sell side liquidity. I saw an opportunity and I took it. Waited for SMT to be created and for sell side liquidity, simple fast, no headache, 15 minutes sweep of the liquidity, change of structure, invert fair value gap, SMT the high, pyramid entry. Let's see, cool. On the New York, I already talked about it. The first trade was at 10 a.m. Bearish volume grabbed the previous session low. Premature enter a long position, expecting a reversal. But when I realized we were too close to yesterday's low, I cut the loss early, only losing $15. On the second trade, I waited for the sell side liquidity to get swept before re-entering the long position. I was expecting, aiming for at least 50% of the fair value gap created on the large time frame, which I already talked about. I could have, should have, like held the trade longer, moved my stop loss, whatever, whatever. And the third trade was a shitty price action that was happening. But yeah, we live to trade another day. That's it. Very good. I feel good. I don't feel too good about the third trade. Should have just called it a day with 150 and that's it. But whatever. I saw an opportunity, tried to take it, and that's what I did. Have a great